And that right, 147, you ain't trying, Cap nigga. You did what you had to do when you did it. And it's the first time I've ever had you like this. But 147, take care, sounding good, Cap nigga. 147, your buzz it up around. Who said I can't key on your ass, County Oregon, and I bank? And then right, hey, 147, somebody keyed up, said they cut your Cat Nigga radio off. Hey, 147, somebody keyed up and said they cut your Cat Nigga radio off. I didn't get who it was, but 147, take care. Have a super fine with 147, your buzz at our bank.
Hey, buzz at 2105 in the Hogg.
Hey, 147, everybody with a walkie-talkie keyed up. 24/7, whole bunch of them. I'm going to get on out of there. I got you on this gate. 147, take care. Have a super fine with 147, your buzz at our bank.
Hello, brother. King Fox in the mall. Hello, brother. King Fox in the Mac Nose. Half-mile break.
King Fox, why you do my radio like that, Cat nigga? Hey, King Fox, why in the hell did you do my radio like that? Good evening, good afternoon to you, King Fox, your buzz in Northwest Cone, and I'm right back. Let's go.
I'm trying to return the favor. Hey, brother, I'm trying to return the favor. That's what you're doing tonight. You got my radio tour for the playoffs. It's all about you right now. Hello, brother. The one way with big old thirst. We're going to get the boys way. Hey, brother, King Fox, the golden numbers around the QTH. The King Fox to the man got down.
And that Araya, King Fox in the Golden Mag. Hey, King Fox, you did what you had to do, Cat nigga, and you did it well. All right, then, I'm going to get on out of here, man. I'm running this gate. King Fox, take care. Buzz it, I bang.
You got the hammer down. Brother, put on you got to keep it, stay safe, and we'll come down you later. The King Fox is the man. Got down.
Did you see me pass by you, King Fox? Did you see me pass by you, King Fox? Yo, buzz it up around the Northwest Cone, and I bank left. Hey, 2105, I can't call your numbers, man, but I'm going to call it. Them Cat niggas, man, up there 30 dBs, and you down there at 9 dBs, so I'll leave you with that. I'm going to get on out of here, man. Hey, buzz it, and I bang.
One bushel in the BYU crowd.
One bushel, one bushel, one bushel, one bushel, one bushel, your buzz at Northwest Cone, and I shut it down.
Oh, buzz it, no bushel. One bushel for another one bushel. Mother Nature. It's all Mother Nature. It's all about Mother Nature. Look at that one bushel.
No doubt about it, one bushel to one bushel. No doubt about it, you did what you had to do. I wish I had a bushel. I got a half a bushel, Cat Big, and I'm out here flying with a helmet on. Hello to you, one bushel. Your buzz in Northwest Cone, and I bang.
My whole bunch of y'all come in my radio down here in the Bayou country while I'm working my... Swing that thing. Hey, buzzer, 27, right back out. Okay, this...
And that Araya, Chuckey 7, like you, I'm gonna have to get on out there. Chuckey 7, take care, have a super fine one. Chuckey 7, buzz it, I shut it down.
Bye, buzzer, bye, brother, bye, buzzer, bye, brother. To talk to Bussel. Bussel sound like superstars. Superstars.
Hey, four aces, when you do it like that, Cat Mega, all I can say is come on. Hey, four aces, when you do it like that, all I can say is come on. Good evening, good afternoon to your four aces. Buzz it right back. Let's go. Hey, four aces, I don't know what happened to you, Cat Mega. Maybe somebody dropped that hammer on me, man. I don't know. Maybe Mother Nature moved out of my way. But four aces, I ain't heard a duck sugar thing after the second key. Hello to your four aces. Hello to your four aces. Your buzz at Northwest Cone and I bang.
Yes. So, anyway, that big deal. What is that, 3 minutes and 23 seconds now? I better get my... DX land, the glass house.
Hey, four aces, that Cat Mega Motor My Mall drop that ham on me. Hey, four aces, that Cat Mega Motor My Mall drop that ham on me. Yeah, about it, four aces. Yeah, about it, four aces. Your buzz at Northwest Cone and I bang.
How about it, DX land, the glass house, call him, break. Let's go Chuckey over there, Wisconsin Roadmaster. They got me a battle and they got a big argument going on. Hello to your brother, the
Isn't that right? No doubt about it, four aces. I thought something was going on, Cat Mega, because you just dropped out. Hey, four aces, I thought something happened, Cat Mega. You just dropped out. You said that Cat Mega Roadmaster up there doing something. No doubt about it. Hello to your four aces, your buzz in Northwest Cone and I bang. Man, I tell you what, four aces, everybody call it Motor My Mall, so I'm going to get my knees in the breeze, man. You got Switchblade out there, you got a whole lot of them out there. And I'm going to get on out of the way. Hey, four aces, I'm going to get out of the Great Lakes, man. I'm going to shut it down for a minute. Hello to your four aces, your buzz at Northwest Cone and I bang. And four aces, man, that Switchblade, everybody in there with you, man. I can't hear a damn thing, man. I can't hear nothing, no doubt about it. Everybody coming back and ain't nobody breaking through. But four aces, I'm going to say hello to you. I'm going to say hello to you too, Switchblade, your buzz at Northwest Corner. Your buzz at up around the Northwest Corner and I bang.
Sylvester the Pussycat, a rash ass. How about it, Big Bad John, the glass house, breaker. Bye-bye.
so many cat niggas I can't hear a damn thing. I can't hear shit. I hear